Yes, guys, welcome back to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog, guys. So today, guys, I'm in the kitchen today, guys, and actually, my wife she requests that we actually made some finger food today, guys. It's nothing big and major today that I'm gonna be looking after in the kitchen, but I just wanna bring you guys along and kind of show you guys what we're gonna have today for dinner as a finger food, guys, because you know the Christmas season we'll eat a lot, and so today there's a finger food, guys. So as you guys realize here, we have around probably I would say 7 to 8 pounds of pork here, guys. You guys can see it. I have three nice piece fresh, guys, just from the butcher shop. We got it from, guys, and we have some green plantain here. We have some carrot, we have some purple onions and the white ones, we have some scotch bonnet pepper there, guys, and we actually have some bami here, guys. So these here are gonna be our side dish that we gonna be eating. Some green pressed plantain, fried pressed plantain, and the bami for the side here, and we're gonna have those onions and carrot and the pepper there for our you know our sauce that we're gonna be using, guys. So in this video, guys, this piece of pork here, we're gonna do something a little bit different with it today, guys. As you guys know, this house here is a pork lover. Everybody in this house here, we love pork, especially me. We eat a whole entire pig. That's basically how much I love pork, guys. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different with it today, guys. No pot roast, no brown stew, but that's something a little bit different. So you guys have to stick and stay and watch the whole entire video to see actually what I'm gonna do with this 8 pound of pork here that I have in this bowl here, guys. So the stick and stay, guys. Yes, guys, check in back, guys, check in back. So yeah, so you see that big piece of pork that I have, guys, and I tell that I'm gonna do something a little bit different with it. So tonight, we're gonna actually escovitch that pork that you guys see me with there in the big bowl there, guys. So we cut up in little small piece, bite-sized pieces, guys. So what we're doing, we're deep frying it right now, guys. And as you can see, we have some of the finished product over here, just like when you do ackee and pork. I see them little bite sizes, them, guys. We have fried them there, guys. And as you can tell, we have the onion cut up here, some scotch bonnet pepper, and carrot, guys. We're gonna use and make the escovitch sauce here, alongside with the vinegar here, guys. So that's what we're gonna do for a little finger food today, guys. And we're gonna have some green pressed fried plantain on the side and some bami, guys. So that's what we're gonna do tonight for our dinner, guys. It's something finger licking, and finger food, because all of the big heavy meal that we actually prepare over the holiday season, we're just gonna take it easy tonight, guys. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing, guys. As you guys know, as I said, we're a pork lover, so we do it in all style, all fashion, and all ways, So then stay tuned, guys, until the end, and I will show you guys what the presentation look like in the end, guys. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, check in back. So yeah, so this is all of the pork that we had fried up, guys. I'm gonna tell you, say nice and crispy, guys. That's the way how you want it. You understand? And then what we're gonna do here, guys, we have the escovitch sauce here. Escovitch sauce. So what we're gonna do with it, guys, we're gonna pour it over it, just like we had the fish. That's exactly what we're gonna be doing with it, guys. And trust me, anybody never had this before, they should try it, because I'm telling you, guys, this is like one of those finger food that you can actually make, if you have a little party, get together, or whatever the case might be. If you all are the pork lovers, if your guests like pork or love pork, this is actually what you can make. That they can get a little dish and they can take out a few pieces and they can nibble on it, guys, until the main course is ready, So all right, guys, so they stay tuned and I will show you guys what the finished product would actually look like afterwards, guys. And trust me, one time the vinegar soak into these little pork bites here, guys. Oh my god, it's just like you're eating jerk pork, you know. Yeah, that's basically what it is, guys. Trust me, this is, if you haven't tried it, you know, you guys should try this. You guys should try it because it's so good, guys. You can use any piece of the pork and do it, guys. Even the pork belly, guys, you can use it. For all of those all those people, Jamaicans out here that do the fried pork, and then they fry it up and then they do it in the ackee. It's the same way, guys. Same way. You just do this very crispy. You know, fry it very crispy, guys, and then you put the escovitch sauce over it, and then you would have a delicious snack or finger food. All right, guys. So just stay tuned, guys, and I will get back to you guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to this from the lifestyle vlog, guys. So yes, so this is what your escovitch pork look like, guys. With the fried bami there and some fried crushed plantain there. So there you guys have it, guys. The presentation is right there, guys. As I said, guys, this is like a finger licking food. It's nothing big and heavy. It's just something light. So yeah, so there you guys have it, guys. Just you guys see the pork that we did had. We cut up in like little bite-sized pieces. Sorry, bite-sized pieces, and then we actually fried it, guys. Like fried it really, really, really dry, and then we actually make our escovitch sauce and pour over it, guys. And trust me, when that vinegar soak into that pork, guys, oh my god, it's so mouth watering. And I think you guys should try this. For all the pork lovers out there, you guys should try this. Trust me, it's amazing. So yes, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog. Tell a friend tell a friend that we're doing great over here. So that's a presentation, guys. That's what my wife asked me to make for her today. Something light. So that's where we started off here. Going forward, for the new year also too, guys. Trust me, just keep watching. There's lots of content coming you guys way. This is just a beginning. So this is it, guys, right here. This is it right here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend that we're doing great over here, guys. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in another one. All right, bye bye.